Welcome to the 80/20 Product Highlight Series. Today, we're going to take a look at the Roll-In Mesh Panel Retainer. This mesh retainer allows you to quickly and easily secure a mesh panel, even if your profile ends are closed. They're easy to install and are available in both 15 and 40 series. It requires no machining and comes with recommended hardware. More information on the Roll-In Mesh Panel Retainer can be found in the 80/20 product catalog. So in this example, we've went ahead and installed 3 retainers already. We'll just drop in a 4th into the open T-slot, take our screwdriver, and tighten down the screw. Now once we've tightened that down, you can see the mesh panel is secure in place in the T-slot. Now hopefully you found this segment on the Roll-In Mesh Panel Retainer helpful. For more information, please visit 8020.net and be sure to subscribe for future 80/20 videos. And as always, make it a great day.